What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to teleport to Triports in Lost Ark. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. While in-game, you will need to have some Triports activated in order to fast travel to them. You can then use your tab key to toggle your overlay map. From here, locate the Triport you wish to travel to and use the shortcut Alt and left click. You will be asked to confirm the fast travel and you will be required to pay a small fee in order to teleport. Alternatively, use your M key to open up your bigger map window. From here, interact with the map, locate the dungeon or town you wish to travel to, and use the same Alt and left click shortcut to teleport to the Triport. This will start a shortcut animation and you will find yourself at the desired location after a few seconds. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.